You describe a panda eating bamboo in a Tokyo park. AI generates a photorealistic video. Not a clip from YouTube. Not animation. Something that never existed, instantly created. Within the last year, AI video generation went from impossible to wait, that's actually real? Here's how it works, why it's better than anyone expected, and why some of the smartest people in tech are losing sleep over it. First, these AIs don't have a secret library of videos to copy from. They learn physics the same way you did, by watching. They understand that water flows downward. That people have shadows. That cars move forward on roads. They've seen millions of videos and extracted the rules. Now they can imagine new ones that follow those rules. Second, the quality is weirdly good. A few months ago, generated videos looked like a fever dream, glitchy, weird hands, physics breaking. Now, watch this. A woman walking through a snowy forest. A spaceman riding a horse through a desert. A samurai meditating at a temple. All generated. All smooth. All wrong in ways you can only spot if you stare hard. Third, this breaks everything we thought was safe. Can't trust a video anymore? That changes journalism, evidence in court, even how you recognize your own family's face. An AI could generate a video of someone doing something they never did. Perfectly. And you'd believe it. Fourth, it's getting faster. Right now, generating a 60-second video takes minutes. But the trend is clear, soon it'll take seconds. Soon you'll generate videos on your phone like you take screenshots. The barrier to creation disappears. That's powerful. And dangerous. Here's what matters, video was the last medium we trusted. Text? We know it's lies. Photos? Everyone assumes they're edited. But video felt real. That barrier just vanished. The question isn't whether AI video generation is cool, it is. The question is, what do we do when seeing is no longer believing? Tell me in the comments, what shocked you most? And hit subscribe because next week we're breaking down how to actually spot AI generated videos before they fool you.